Hello again guys. Right, this is take 3 of this video. I keep fluffing it up, so apologies for that. So I'm going to make it really fast. It was only intended as a fast video, as a really identifying what I look for when I open the charts. It's just gone 5:30 in the morning, and I've been up most of the night actually, testing. What I do, because I'm staring at charts and my eyes are a little bit older now, I tend to get tired, so I go out for walks and then I sleep and then I do a bit of work, and if I wake up in the middle of the night all refreshed, I'll work, and that's what I've done tonight. So I've been working since about 1:30 this morning. So woke up all refreshed, so I thought I'd have a go. Anyway, I digress. The important, and the reason for this video, the importance of it, is just to show you what I look for and how I eliminate charts very quickly, and how I make a plan. And this is the plan, and you saw the plan on gold yesterday. And what shoots out at me at the moment on this particular chart is the fact that this is what I want to see, and this is horrid. That's horrid, because I want to see a fast change. I want to see a change of direction, and this will, what we want to see. So what you've got here is you've got a change below zero. You've got it attacking the dragon on the M5, but what that will look like, and I'm not going to flick the charts over because then I'll end up making this a 20-minute video and I don't want to, is I will see the dragon configuration being correct. I'll blow it. I'll do it anyway. So here you go. I haven't done this before, so it may just turn out nasty. So M1, you can see where the lines are, and this should look pretty good as a system trade on the dragon. I worked out why my machine's so slow. It's because, there you go, perfect dragon trade. My machine is so slow because I'm constantly running tests on the strategy tester on numerous terminals, and I've got 2 or 3 terminals open, and this is a bit of an old machine, so it's struggling to cope. So I'm learning so much from running strategy tester on different EAs and different indicators. This is why my US 30 and gold trading has gone into turbo drive. Anyway, I digress. So apologies for these slow transitions, but if you want a video, or if I want to produce videos, that's just the way it'll have to be for a while. Anyway, as you can see, this is a perfect dragon reversal. Dropped below the 89, came back, test it, continued on down. So I was correct. So what I want to see is that changeover on M5, and what I can't see is anything like that at the moment on the US 30, but what I can see is a potential plan, and that's it. That's the point of this video. Basically, this looks horrible. I don't really want to go long again. The only way I can go long is for a breakout, a pullback, continuation with all the usual suspects. Something similar to this. If I was here, this would look pretty horrible here, but once or let's say here, considering longs, looks pretty horrible. But once I've pushed up with vigor, pulled back, and then dropped on the 1 minute time frame, I can consider a long there. So I want to see this punch up, pull back, continue to go long. So there's a bit of a weight there, and I don't really want to go long on this. I would prefer to have this situation here, as you can see, drop onto the M1. You've got probably a bit of divergence there. No, there isn't actually on that. It probably is on M1. In fact, it doesn't look like there will be, considering the TMA. But going back to this one, this is this is the safest and best looking opportunity to see this push down, pull back, continue. And I always want to be trading the safest. So if it doesn't do what I want it to do, then walk away. But this here is a horrible looking set of circumstances, whereas this here, by comparison, is perfect. We've reversed, we've dropped below zero, so at this point here, if we came closer to the dragon, we would probably be below zero, then we want to do all the other stuff as well. The bust, pullback, break and close. Bust, pullback, break and close. And as you can see, Dinesh's fantastic alert has picked it up perfectly, and it does over and over again. If you haven't got this on your charts, you're mad. And that's just that other hidden indie there. And go to Dinesh's thread to learn about it and download it and follow him and thank him and all that stuff as well. So we've got a pretty bad looking setup. Now this is going to cause us problems, because if this is a higher high, we have to move our ascending trend line to something like that, and then we have to change our descending trend line to the new high, hypothetically there. I hope you get what I'm talking about. So, you know, these are fluid things. They're constantly changing. You're constantly making amendments to your analysis. But the important thing is you're doing your analysis, you're making your plan, and you're waiting for the trades to come to you. So this has been far longer, this video, far longer than I intended it to be. In fact, that trend line could be drawn there, and there are the touch points. And in the old days I used to make these videos, you tighten them up as you go along, there and there, as these highs are created, and you can see that clearly on the line chart, much easier to see. And that's it. You know, this, I would expect this possibly, if it makes a higher high, might make a bit of divergence, which is always good for the short calls, as it were. But this was the important thing. This was the point of this video. I was going to make a couple of charts, decided that I might just as well make a video. This is horrid. What I always want to be trading is this sort of thing here, or the opposite, you know, busted from below zero to above, push up, pull back, continuation with vigor, and there you can see it. That's the perfect entry. So we've got a perfect one there, from below zero to above, from above zero to below. This is horrid. You're clutching at straws, as it were. This is not perfect. That's it. There's no other excuse for it. Once you get experienced at this stuff, yeah, fine. Drop to the lower time frames and have a little play like I do. But if you're a novice at any sort of trading, always stick to the AAA, triple plus trades. Always let the best opportunities come to you. This and this, not this. So that was the point of the video. Sorry it's a bit disjointed and a bit rushed, but it is the third take and I don't want to have to do it again. So thanks a lot. Have a great day. It's Tuesday.